Hello viewers, thanks for the support for the last video. Today, we are going to see the Firefox browser and the overview of browser. So first, let us go with the Mozilla.org to download the Firefox browser, and I'll give you the link of the description. You can, download and you can install over that. So I'm just installing the Firefox installer and it's getting installing. So let us go one by one. So now installing the Firefox browser. So probably this might get 2025 new features as well. So let us see what is the version they have released and what are the new options or new outcomes over the browser comparatively from uh, Google Chrome browser as well as Edge browsers. It gets installing, so it's taking a while to get it installed. And yeah, so we have got the browser. uh, let us see the browser version, and we can go here and same like us, most of the things, comes over from the Chrome and Edge browsers. And help about Firefox. The version Firefox is up to date. It's a 132.0.2. Okay, so it's quite the higher version comparative from Google Chrome as well as Edge. So let us go and overview the browser. So here, there are new private window and bookmarks also as well. Bookmarks, we can bookmark the all the content and history button, downloads and passwords and add-on themes, and they have given single and print and save pages and find in page as well as zoom options and more tools. We can see here web developer tools, task manager, remote debugging, and browser console, responsive design mode, eyedropper. It's quite interesting. Eyedropper, what is the settings? Oh, okay, this is called eyedropper. Okay, you can see the the color coding of hexa codes. It's interesting. Okay. Yeah, and extension developers and page source, so it's all available. Let us go with settings. Settings, here we can able to see general, home and search, private and security, as sync and Firefox labs, and more from Mozilla extension themes. Firefox support also available. So general we can able to see here. So open the previous windows and tabs, and we can browse the data as same as the other browsers. And we can change the themes, automatic, light and dark. So we have the appearance here as well. So we have a extensive option called automatic. So if you want to change the appearance, you can go to the general and change the appearance automatic. And the colors, we can able to see the manage colors, like the text and backgrounds, link colors, and zoom as well as language we can change here. And if you want to change, and we can add the language from here. And then translation also available, so we can change the translations and the files and downloads. And we can choose the path to where we need to save the download files. And applications also we can able to see here, and Firefox and digital rights management, DRM connect. So let us see one by one the next videos, the Firefox hack. I mean the other things, how we can segregate all the settings. So one by one I can help you so in future videos. And the performance, browsing, and network settings also we can change here. Home, Firefox home, and shortcuts we can able to see. And recent activity, and see recent activity we can get into one to up to four rows. And next search, search button, it comes over, the default Chrome browser. We can change uh, Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo and Wikipedia. So default search button will appear, and we can change over here, and there is no customize option to change the search button. Such suggestion also, here, we can select and we can choose the settings. So I'm just keep the same setting as it is. And address bar, we can see browsing history, bookmarks, and open tabs, so everything else there. And the search shortcuts also available, so we can see it's at the Google, and we can search with the keyword Bing. And bookmarks, if you are typing star, tabs, and history actions, we have the shortcuts here, we can use it off. And the next thing is privacy and security. Privacy security, it's come over, we can secure the connection, whenever we are searching over the internet. Browser privacy, so we can see manage exception, so we can include the manage exception, like we'll I'll add you later, to how to get the exemption, like here same as Edge browser, like we have seen right last video, standard and strict and custom. I just kept standard, it's block social media trackers and cross-site cookies on all windows, tracking content in private windows, and crypto miners and fingerprints as well. So, and website privacy as well as, and we can clear the cookies and data from here under privacy and security bar, the options clear data, and it is appearing, the clear data loss how up to everything since last 4 hours. So we have the option called, the histories, clearing site settings, we can clear from here. It's quite different than other two browser. The password, we can save it password. The extensions password, we can save it from the website. So we don't want to save any password to another website, so we can include from here, so it won't save the password. And we can see the from the here history, the never remember history and use custom settings history, so everything is there. And we can clear the history from here, last hour up to everything, same as caches clears. And permissions, we can see here location, camera, and microphone, speaker selection, and notification autoplay. So we can change it as it is, how we wanted to give the permissions to the sites, the particular sites or every sites. And the block pop-up windows, and one your website, everything you need, right? You record this pop-up windows option, so we have to enable these ones. And Firefox data collection use, so most of the browser they'll collect the data, and but from the settings also is available if we don't want, and we can uncheck the box from here. And website advertising preferences, so, and security also, it's called DCDCSFP, so content and dangerous software production. And certificates also, this is a normal certificates and security devices options are there. So we have the modes in the protocols, HTTPS and HTTP. So this is more importantly, we need to select this one. So I just chosen with the same, which is recommended. This protocol is must with the browsers, DNS over HTTPS. So this whenever we wanted to enable, and we can enable. So I'll explain the next video, so how secured and HTTP and DNS over HTTPS. And the next thing, sync, we can sync with the data from here, synchronize our bookmarks, history, tabs, and passwords on this device. So if you are logging over mobile or tab with the same browser, so the same data will sync. So only thing you need to sign in, and after signing you will get it from the all the bookmarks and everything saved over the internet, and then you can use the same browser on your tab as well as a mobile phone. Yeah, it's a Firefox Labs. So this is considering developer tools. If you wanted to report or anything, so we can choose it from here. Chat GPT and Google Gemini, and Hugging Chat. So everything are, we can customize from here. So right now I'm not doing anything now, so I need to see, and then I'll show you the next video how it helps on this customizing or browsing. So, and the developer tools, it seems to be using for debugging. So if we are enabling, and it will ask the restart, and we can use it off from here. And more from Mozilla, it's quite called help. And if we are scanning this one, we can get it from the help page, and other thing, and Mozilla Monitor and Firefox Live, so we can protect our inbox and everything. So here, Firefox support also available. If you are clicking over the Firefox support is available to contact the team. So if we need any help related browser, Firefox browser related help, so we can choose it from Firefox support. So these are the overview on of the Firefox browser. Hope you like this video, and so a little bit you have understand overview the current version of 132. So if the video is really liking you, so please do subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.